Baby, take it out on me. Take it out on me. Got my number, you can call on me. Na, 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 na. Hello friends, you're watching Confident, Fearless, Worthy. My name is Danielle and happy Valentine's Day. If you're watching this, it's probably the night before Valentine's Day or Valentine's Day. So happy Valentine's Day to you and yours. Valentine's Day is such an interesting holiday. To me, I believe that you should show the people that you love them all the time and not just one day. However, I can appreciate the significance of the holiday and the fact that literally everyone celebrates it. And a lot of people like it, so, you know, good for you. One of the things that I wanted to talk about, though, was self-care. It really use this holiday to show you some tips on how to take care of yourself and how to show yourself some love, because you deserve love as much as anybody else. And, you know, it's really important to show yourself some love. So I wanted to take you through my day and show you what I do for self-care and enjoy my Valentine-ME day. Disclaimer is that, you know, some of these do cost money, some of these don't. And I had the luxury of being able to take a full day off in order to do all of these things. I understand that that's not the case for everyone. But I hope that there is enough here so that even if you are not able to take a day off, even if you really can't spend a lot of money, there are some things that you can do and you can adapt into your self-care routine. So here you go. Here's my day. I hope you enjoy. Good morning. It's about 9:30 a.m. and I just woke up. I let myself sleep as long as I wanted to this morning, as long as my body wanted to. Typically, one of the first things that I do when I wake up is I meditate, I write in my journal, and I pull a Universe Has Your Back card. So that's what I'm about to do right now. It's a really simple thing that you can schedule into your getting ready time in the morning, just to make sure that you start off on a good foot. So that's what I'm going to do. Alrighty, so I just wanted to show the card I pulled really fast and when I wrote in my planner. I said journal earlier, but I meant planner. So that's the card I pulled. I've been getting a lot of cards about realigning with love and remembering love and turning back to love. So I feel like it's a theme that I need to learn from the universe. And like I said, I keep pulling cards related to that, so that's kind of cool. So now I am going to make some breakfast because I'm hungry, and I am excited because I have some bacon, I have some eggs, and I have some sweet potatoes. I'm going to cook those up and have a really nice breakfast. Alright, here is the final result. I got some eggs, sweet potato, and bacon. So now I'm gonna eat this and watch some YouTube maybe, clean up the kitchen because I have dirty dishes in the sink behind me, and then I will check in with you later. Alright, so now the kitchen is clean, so now I need to get ready for the day, so I'm gonna take a shower and pretty myself up. You don't need a reason to dress up. You can dress up whenever you want. So I'm gonna do makeup, I'm gonna put lipstick on, I'm gonna get my hair did and do all of that today because why the heck not? I deserve it. So before, after. So I did my hair. I actually don't know if I like it. I think it's too curly. Believe it or not, I think I like waves better. But I did my makeup, I put some lipstick on, and I'm ready to go. My outfit is just cute, casual, comfortable. I'm about to go put some slippers on actually because the next thing I'm going to do is go get a pedicure. That's something that I really like to do just for me, and Even in the winter time, even though my toes aren't necessarily out, I still like to have them look nice, and it just feels really nice. The massage chair is the best. So that's where I'm headed now. Mission is accomplished. It is time for lunch. So I'm going to go to a little Mexican place nearby and enjoy myself. And one of the things about self-care is that it's okay to treat yourself every once in a while, and to enjoy the food that you want to enjoy. There's nothing wrong with that. And even if it's not a special occasion, if you feel like eating something, then eat it. It doesn't make sense to restrict yourself if you're really craving that thing. So that is what I'm about to go do. Honestly, this is what I came for. The queso. I'm really excited. I was so hungry I dug right in, but this is what I got. It's delicious. Alrighty friends, this lighting is horrible. Bear with me. Lunch was amazing. I got out of lunch, then I headed straight to Target, where I picked up a couple of things for this afternoon, and one of them is some flowers. Aren't they so pretty? One of the things that I like to do for myself every so often is buy myself flowers, and I think that a lot of times people believe that you should be waiting for somebody to bring you flowers, or you know, don't want to buy themselves flowers because of some sort of weird stigma. I don't know, but I buy myself flowers fairly frequently, and I just think it's a really cool way to show yourself some love, and it really brightens up the space and makes it a lot more homey, and not to mention that they're gorgeous. So go ahead and buy yourself some flowers. It doesn't matter who you are, just buy yourself some flowers, and you'll be surprised at how happy it makes you. Alright, this is the result of my baking. They are Shirley Temple cupcakes. Right now I am headed out to go chat with some lady friends, and I'm really excited. This is an alumni group for my sorority, so I'm really excited to see all of the other girls that I know. And I'm gonna be a little bit late, so I need to head out, but I will check back in with you later. So I'm back home. I just got back from meeting with the girls. There was only a few of us, but it was really nice. And I'm super proud of myself. That's not normally something that I would do, but I pushed myself outside my comfort zone and said, no, I think it'd be good for me. And I did it. And I think that's a really important lesson too, is that sometimes you have to take the leap of faith with things and do something that maybe you normally wouldn't do. That's actually a form of self-care. So, and interacting with people who you may not normally interact with. So plans for the rest of the night. I still need to eat dinner. So I'm gonna do that. And then I'm gonna edit this video. And then after that, I'm actually gonna be taking a bath, which is something that I love to do for myself. And really is super relaxing for me. And very stress relieving, and I tend to use a lot of like candles and bath bombs and aromatherapy things, and I actually bought this candle off of Amazon. I'll link it in the description below. It's the Love and Attraction Pure Soy Candle, which I thought was fitting for Valentine's Day, and that will be the end of my evening. It was a really good day, so yeah, I am glad that I took this day to do all of this stuff. It was well needed for sure. But yeah, that's about it. So there you go. That was my day for you. And again, I really hope that you can take some of these things that I did for myself and apply them to your own self-care schedule. And I really believe that you should have a schedule for self-care. I know for me, I have to, otherwise I won't, because I'm really dedicated to my job and what I do. And so it's really important for me to make time for myself to do these things. So I hope you enjoyed. Have a wonderful Valentine's Day, and I will see you all soon.